In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text case in Google Sheets. First, open your Google Sheets document so you're looking at the sheet that contains the text you want to format. Next, click the cell where you want the converted text to appear. This is important. The functions we'll use take the original text from one cell and display the converted version in another cell. For example, if your original text is in A1, you'll select an empty cell where you want to see the result. To convert text to all caps, type the upper function. In the selected output cell, enter upper A1. As soon as you press enter, the function runs and you'll see the content of A1 displayed in uppercase. This is great for headings, codes, or when you need consistent capitalization for data cleanup. If you need everything in lowercase, the process is exactly the same. Just swap the function name. In your chosen output cell, type lower A1. Press enter, and the text from A1 appears entirely in lowercase. This is useful for normalizing emails, tags, or any text that should not be capitalized. For title case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized and the rest are lowercased, use the proper function. In your output cell, enter proper A1. After you press enter, names, addresses, and titles become easier to read with standard capitalization. Keep in mind, proper will also lowercase the remaining letters, so acronyms like USA may become USA. That's expected behavior for this function. No matter which function you choose, upper, lower, or proper, the key idea is the same. You reference the original cell inside the parentheses, and the function displays a transformed version in the cell where you typed the formula. Pressing enter applies the function immediately, and the result will update automatically if the original text in A1 changes. That means your capitalization stays in sync with your data. A quick note about working with more than one row. Because the reference A1 is relative, if you place the formula next to your first item and then fill it down the column, each row will automatically reference its matching cell. This makes it fast to apply consistent case formatting across large lists. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, pick your destination cell, use upper A1, lower A1, or proper A1, then press enter to apply, and you're done. With these simple functions, your text becomes clean, consistent, and ready to use.